This is the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Monday, July the 21st. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather pretty muggy this week. We'll have the chance of scattered showers and storms. Temperatures will likely stay below average. Let's go in there and take a look. This morning, there's the water vapor satellite view. There is an upper low that is over the northeastern corner of the state, and that is helping to produce an enhanced chance of showers on the eastern side of Alabama. Other than that, we've got a ridge building over the central U.S., and it's starting to heat up. In fact, for the first time in a while, we actually have some heat advisories. We should expect to see a lot of those here in midsummer. We got them today from Kansas and Missouri north into parts of Minnesota and the Dakotas. And also some active storms possible up that way, a moderate risk of severe weather over parts of North Dakota and Minnesota, where the storm track's currently located. Then tomorrow, day 2, a small slight risk for areas around Chicago, Milwaukee. And on day 3, which is Wednesday, slight risks for the northeastern tip of the United States and parts of Montana. That looks a whole lot like summer. Here's the overall rain for the next 5 days, valid through Saturday morning. Bigger numbers over the Tennessee Valley, about 1 inch there. The amount's lighter as you work your way down to the south. And in the tropics, a little wave in the deep tropics, southwest of the Cape Verde Islands, but I wouldn't worry about that one. More than likely, harsh upper winds and dry air will eat that thing up in a day or two, and it's just going to vanish. But bottom line is things are very quiet. When we check the radar at daybreak, that's at 5:15. Look at the rain up there in northeast Alabama. In fact, some pretty good rain falling over parts of Cherokee, Etowah, and DeKalb counties in northeast Alabama. And again, that upper low is up in that region. Go to the GFS, the Global Forecast System. This is valid today at 1 o'clock local time. Heat bubble is centered over New Mexico and West Texas. You see the weakness here across Alabama. And down below that, we're in kind of a moist air mass. And with that upper low, we'll kind of have cloudy periods and the chance of scattered showers today. The rain not widespread. This is a look at the high-res HRRR model, valid at 2 o'clock today. And you can see the typical measle-looking radar pattern, scattered showers. Really, those are widely scattered. And the high today should be in the mid to upper 80s, still under 90. The last time we saw 90 was a week ago, 7 days ago, Monday, July 14th. Doubtful we hit 90 today. Tomorrow, pretty much the same deal. There's a moist air mass in place, and both models ramp up the chance of scattered storms, the upper low drifting southwest. And that would put us in a little better chance for showers tomorrow. So occasionally cloudy with a chance of showers, maybe some thunder. And then Wednesday, the showers thin out a little bit, according to the GFS, but we'll still mention scattered showers and storms. And again, I think the high will be in the upper 80s. I'm not so sure we see 90 for the next 3 days. Thursday, evidence of a surface boundary north of here that will try to press down, and that might bring a little better chance of showers and storms, perhaps Thursday afternoon or Thursday evening. And this is Friday, and you can see a pretty high amplitude pattern for summer. We've got the heat bubble over the Four Corners in the southwest. We've got troughing over the east. And again, just maybe a surface boundary down in through here, which would perhaps give us a better chance of showers and storms. But of course, trying to figure out if that happens, where it stops, how it dissipates, we just don't know that yet. But whatever, we'll mention scattered showers and storms Thursday and Friday. Bottom line is every day this week we'll have those things around. And I would say highs mostly 86 to 89 on a daily basis. Okay, weekend fans, the GFS tries to bring down some drier air on Saturday. And if this is correct, the chance of rain would be relatively small over most of the state. Again, evidence of a little impulse north and west of here. And trying to time those northwest flow waves, it's just impossible to do days in advance. But if this is right, Saturday would be a day with a pretty decent amount of sun, with only an outside chance of a shower, and a chance we do see a high at or maybe just over 90. And the same thing on Sunday. So for now, the weekend looks relatively quiet, but I will caution you, we might see a wave coming in from the north on one of those days that might give us an enhanced chance of showers and storms. We just can't identify that this far in advance. And a week from today looks relatively moist with a chance of showers and storms. And finally, we'll go out there toward the end of the month. A few days later, this is the 30th of July, and wow, Now, this is off the European. The GFS graphics were not available this morning, but in the longer range. But this is the European. And by golly, if that's right, you know what that means? Another cool air mass coming down the pike, right at the peak of the summer heat. And of course, this is in the land of voodoo. We're not saying this is going to happen, but boy, that is a remarkable looking map for the end of July, the 1st of August, if that verifies. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream of the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.